Achieving financial stability and independence is a common goal for many individuals. Mastering personal finance is an essential skill that can greatly contribute to your overall well-being and peace of mind. In this article, we will explore the tips and tricks that can help you gain control over your finances and set yourself up for a secure financial future. Create a budget. A budget is the foundation of any successful personal finance strategy. It helps you understand your income and expenses, allowing you to make informed decisions about your spending habits. To create a budget, list all sources of income, including salaries, investments, and any other regular earnings. Categorize your expenses into essential and discretionary spending. Set limits for each category based on your priorities and financial goals. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as necessary. Remember, a budget is not meant to be restrictive but to give you a clear picture of your financial situation and empower you to make better choices. Build an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable, and unforeseen events can wreak havoc on your finances. To protect yourself from such scenarios, it's crucial to have an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This safety net will provide you with financial security and peace of mind during challenging times. Pay off high-interest debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control if not addressed promptly. Prioritize paying off these debts before focusing on other financial goals. Consider using the debt avalanche method, where you pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first, or the debt snowball method, where you pay off the smallest balance first. Both strategies can be effective in helping you become debt-free faster. Save and invest. Saving and investing are essential components of mastering personal finance. By putting money aside and investing it wisely, you can grow your wealth and work toward achieving your long-term financial goals. Consider the following tips for effective saving and investing. Set specific, measurable, and achievable saving goals, such as saving for a down payment on a house or funding a child's education. Automate your savings by setting up recurring transfers to a designated savings account. Diversify your investments across various assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to minimize risk and maximize returns. Consult with a financial advisor or use online resources to educate yourself on different investment strategies and options. Monitor and improve your credit score. A good credit score is essential for obtaining favorable loan terms and interest rates. To maintain or improve your credit score, make sure to pay all your bills on time, as payment history is the most significant factor affecting your score. Keep your credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your available credit limit. Regularly review your credit report for errors and dispute any inaccuracies. Limit the number of hard inquiries on your credit report by only applying for credit when necessary. Plan for retirement. It's never too early to start planning for retirement. The earlier you begin saving, the more time your money has to grow. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as a 401k, and consider opening an individual retirement account, IRA, to maximize your savings potential. Additionally, educate yourself about Social Security benefits and how they will factor into your retirement income. Protect your assets with insurance. Insurance is an essential part of any personal finance strategy, as it protects your assets from unexpected events. Ensure you have adequate coverage for your needs, including health, life, disability, home, and auto insurance. Regularly review your policies and shop around for competitive rates to ensure you're getting the best value. Develop a tax strategy. Understanding tax laws and regulations can help you maximize your income and minimize your tax liability. Consider working with a tax professional or using tax software to ensure you're taking advantage of all available deductions and credits. Additionally, make sure to adjust your tax withholding to avoid overpaying or underpaying throughout the year. Create a financial plan. A comprehensive financial plan outlines your short-term and long-term financial goals and the steps you need to take to achieve them. A well-crafted plan can serve as a roadmap for your financial journey, providing you with a sense of direction and purpose. Include the following elements in your financial plan. A clear statement of your financial goals and objectives. An overview of your current financial situation, including your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. A detailed budget that supports your financial goals. A savings and investment strategy tailored to your risk tolerance and time horizon. A plan for managing and reducing debt. A retirement plan that considers your desired lifestyle, expected income sources, and anticipated expenses. An estate plan that outlines how your assets will be distributed upon your death. Continuously educate yourself. The world of personal finance is constantly evolving, and staying informed is key to making sound financial decisions. Regularly read books, articles, and blogs on personal finance topics, and consider attending workshops or seminars to expand your knowledge. Additionally, network with like-minded individuals who share your financial goals and can provide support, advice, and encouragement along the way. Conclusion: mastering personal finance requires discipline, commitment, and a willingness to learn. By following the tips and tricks outlined in this article, you can gain control over your finances, achieve your financial goals, and secure your financial future. Remember, the journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused, stay motivated, and celebrate your progress along the way.